Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-29, beginning in Brookings County, South Dakota at mile marker 138. We pulled over here at exit 140 for some unknown reason. Exit 140 provides access to South Dakota Highway 30 with the small city of Bruce to the west and White to the east. White was named for W.H. White, a first settler, and today has an estimated population of 489. Bruce has an estimated population of 205. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We entered Deuel County, created in 1862 and named for Jacob Deuel, a legislator. The county has an estimated population of only 4,351 as of 2019. Exit 150 leads to the city of Estelline to the west and Toronto to the east. A post office was first established at Estelline in 1879. The city was platted in 1882 and was named for a local farmer's daughter. Estelline had an estimated population of 746 as of 2019. The town of Toronto was laid out in 1884 and was named after Toronto, the capital city of Ontario, Canada, the great frozen tundra and land of igloos north of the United States. Exit 157 leads to the town of Brandt, east of I-29. The town was laid out in 1884 and named for the Reverend P.O. Brandt. The town has an estimated population of 107 as of 2019. We conclude today's video at mile marker 163. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.